Hello, today we will guide you through how to install Zoom app on PC. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Microsoft Store to install Zoom on a Windows computer. This is one of the simplest ways to get the app, and it helps make sure you're downloading the correct version from a trusted source. To begin, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. If it's already pinned to your taskbar or start menu, you can simply click it there. If not, that's completely fine. Next, press the Windows key on your keyboard or click the search bar at the bottom of your screen. This opens Windows Search, which lets you quickly find apps already available on your computer. Once the search is open, type Microsoft Store. As you type, Windows should show the Microsoft Store in the search results. Click on it to launch the app. Give it a moment to open fully, especially if your internet connection is a little slow or if the store hasn't been opened recently. When the Microsoft Store is open, go to the search area and type Zoom. Be as exact as possible so the correct app appears more easily in the results. After searching, you should see Zoom listed among the available apps. Now click on the Zoom result. This will open the apps page in the Microsoft Store where you can view basic information about it before installing. Take a quick moment to confirm that you've selected the official Zoom app so you know you're installing the right one. After that, click on Install. The Microsoft Store will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your computer speed and internet connection, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. During this time, it's best to keep the store open until the installation finishes. Once the installation is complete, Zoom will be available on your PC and ready to open. In many cases, you'll see an Open button appear in the Microsoft Store. You may also be able to find Zoom later by pressing the Windows key and searching for it from your Start menu. And that's it. By following these steps, you can install Zoom quickly and safely using the Microsoft Store. If the Install button doesn't appear right away, make sure you're signed into the Microsoft Store and that your Windows device is connected to the internet. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you get Zoom installed successfully.